This is the formula for difference of cubes. So the top here factors to exactly this. P minus Q times P squared plus PQ plus Q squared. All over. What does the bottom here factor to? P plus Q times P minus Q. This is a difference of squares. Now this formula you'll have to know. Times, well, let's think about what can I factor here? It's not an 8 if that's my bad handwriting. That's a Q. So I can factor a Q out. And I'm going to have left what? A Q plus a P. And what about here? What could I maybe factor out? Yeah, so you notice there's a P in every single term. It's P cubed, P squared, and a P. So I'm just going to factor out a P. And that leaves me with a P squared plus PQ plus Q squared. Is it Jasenia or Yesenia? Jasenia. You good so far? So we've got everything factored. Now we can just start canceling. If you want to take the extra step and just writing everything at the top, you can do that, but it's not necessary. But it might help you to see it a little bit better. So I wrote everything on the top here, and then I'm going to write everything on the top here. So there's a Q, and then I'm going to have another Q plus P. Because when you multiply, you just multiply straight across the top. So everything on the top is just going to be sandwiched together as one big product. All these are multiplied by each other. And now we're going to write P plus Q times P minus Q times P times this P squared plus PQ plus Q squared. Now we just start thinking about what can we cancel. Well, there's a P minus Q and a P minus Q. There's a P plus Q and a... Now this says Q plus P. Is that the same thing? Yeah, they're the same thing. Those can cancel. And then we're hoping that this cancels. P squared plus PQ plus Q squared. They're the exact same thing. These cancel. And so what is the answer? Q over P. So it's just a matter of lots and lots of factoring.